all in. Yeah, can't take a loss. I don't trust you when you talk a lot. Acting like a zombie, copy how they talk. What's the drip? I don't think they drippin'. $1,000 jeans, tell me why they got the ribs then.
A lot of people have been asking for a room tour, so yeah, here it is. So as soon as you enter my room, towards the right we have some posters and a shelf. I bought these posters for cheap in Amazon in an attempt to make the room seem more presentable in front of the camera. For the price, these posters are amazing. The shelf has 4 levels and each level has different things in it. The top level consists mainly of boxes of products I use. Some people have asked me to do a box collection reveal, so yeah, here we go. This is the box for the motherboard, the graphics card, the power supply, the headphones, mic 1, camera, mic 2, drawing tablet, pop filter, webcam and the tripod. I might have a problem. Okay, so at the next level we have a lamp, some books, an adapter and some cables for stuff and stationaries, the screwdriver and a deck of playing cards. Let me show you some magic tricks. We have a deck of cards. And yeah, as you can see, we have the pack. Again, we take this pack and then give it a slide and boom, entire pack converted into 1 card. Okay, now let's take this card. 1 card turned into 2 cards. Now let's take 2 cards again. Let's mix them up a bit and then let's close them. And there we go. No cards. How I did all this? Well, it's called the power of editing. Okay, I'll perform an actual trick for you. We have a deck of cards right here. I'm going to be picking 2 random cards from this. We can shuffle it, but again, we're just picking random cards, so it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. Let's take these 2 cards. It's black 6 and 9. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep these cards right here. Normally, if there's another person, I'll hand them over those cards. But yeah, since there's nobody here, I'm just going to keep these cards right here. Now, I'm going to start doing this, okay? And whenever we say stop, we're going to keep our card inside. Now, this is going to be random. Normally, if there's another person, I'll ask them, but there's nobody here, so yeah. Okay, so the stop location number 1. Let's take 1 card. I don't know what card that is, but yeah, we'll place it right here. And location number 2. And then let's place it right there. Now, I don't know where these are. I have no marking of them. As you can see, the cards are clean. There is no other color card or something like that. This magic trick, well, it's not a magic trick. It's more of a sleight of hand trick where we have to memorize every single position of this card. And now that you've kept it somewhere there, I can virtually take this card outside if I know the location. So if I'm right and I've been counting right, we stopped at 2 places. One is the 19th position from down and second is the 34th position, if I'm not wrong. So those 2 things, so the card is at 19 and 34. Let's try to extract the card, okay? Okay, 19 and 34. If I screw this up, man. Ready, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 cards, rest are here, the black 6 and 9. Now go watch this again to see how I did this. Right, coming back to the room tour, this, ladies and gentlemen, is our setup. This is where the magic happens, so to speak. The keyboard I use is the Red Gear Blaze Tournament Edition. The mouse I use is the Thor ELE G9. The headphones I use are the Audio Technica M20X, and the coolers are there for thumbnails and videos. The mic you see right there is the Boya BY-M1, which I picked up recently. Some people have been asking me whether I solve these Rubik's Cube or they're just for show. I actually do solve them, but like not competitively, just for fun. And the watch you see right there is for time lapses and stuff. Which brings us to the PC, ladies and gentlemen. Let's not talk about the cables. I've told the specs of this PC a million times on stream. If you're wondering if this PC has a name, she does. She's called Zeisk. That's Z-E-I-S-K. This PC I've been using for the past 5 years. I'm planning on upgrading sometime in the near future. Hopefully that happens soon. This setup is where I do a lot of stuff like streaming, watching anime, playing games. And this is my bed. This is where I This is a pull-up bar. I can't actually do more than one pull-up, but yeah, it's there in case I want to start working out or something. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, last time I did a room tour, I said I don't really use this fan thing. I still don't use it. It's such a useless thing, but yeah, it's still there because I don't know. I was just too lazy to throw it out. Yeah, that fan is there in case I want to sleep at night. It gets hot here, so yeah. Apart from that, this is the room. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're wondering, the papers to your left and to your right is actually study stuff which I don't use anymore. So sometimes I get motivated to do stuff and then lose the motivation in like 12 hours. So yeah, some stuff I have stuck. I haven't looked at since the day I put it on the wall. Well, that's the room tour, everybody. As I said, it's not that interesting of a room, so I don't know why you guys kept asking for this, but yeah, this is the room tour. I hope you liked it. I do plan on upgrading almost everything in this room. I'll make another video if I do. Okay, hopefully that happens soon. So yeah, one thing as I was editing this video I knew was the audio is a bit messed up. The quality is very subpar. It was like even in a last stream the audio was a bit off. It was very trashy actually. There is something wrong with the audio in my computer. I can't seem to figure out what it is, so I can't seem to fix it as well. But I really do hope it didn't bother you as much. But yeah, I'll try to fix that also very soon. Apart from that, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, join the Discord server, follow on Instagram. I don't know, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.
Oh, this you crazy mother.